kakain na siya ng breakfast. I said you already had breakfast.
Careful. Careful. Can you speak English?
I am speaking English.
No, you weren't. You were saying nama nama na.
Come this way a little bit, Baba.
We're gonna try put this in my hair.
This side.
I have another bow. So yeah.
So grandma is taking care at the school. Yeah, okay.
Cause I won't see Dada today. I'll only see him tonight.
And then I'm going to clean before I'm going
Go
to
sub
work.
to my channel. Here once again. Sub here.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to put this in my hair, but don't make my hair look bad.
Okay.
Guys, I'm not letting anyone part my hair.
Okay.
Only I'm allowed to.
I-curl na lang namin yung buhok niya. Mahirap talian kasi short hair. Yung gamit ko, Baby Bless. Okay, hold on.
Tiny bush. She has raspberry and cranberry. I'll show you the packet, guys. She loves these. Good.
She's hiding.
Leave those there. You wait down. Guys, she just... No, come over here, guys. Look, if you can see in that brown house, she hides it in there. Do you see that brown house? If you could zoom in, you would see. Guys, let me show you. Come here, guys. She just hides them there. So. Guys, let me show you my hamster. I'll be really careful because this is a DJI. Let me turn you around. She's in there. Hang bush. Please, you guys back down. Make sure it's safe. Hi. After school, I'll make you your new toy, okay? I like to make my hamster toys, but I use safe stuff, and I also put food in it, so like she can climb it. So like, I have a hook, and then I attach it to the bars, and then it goes down, and then she climbs it, and she gets the treat from the top. So the treat's hanging on the top. So just try to get that. We're gonna get her a new cage one day that has like slides and like 3 levels. So we'll go up to here, just here. So we'll go up to there, and then that's down there. So it'll be like that, and then I can choose where she can go from the 3rd level to the 1st. So that's really cool. Bye guys. No, not bye. Hi. So we will be cleaning her. Maybe not today. Guys, she's digging. She's digging. She's found her way. She's digging. Bye, guys.
Nakaalis na si Kira, maghugas na tayo ng mga plato. Part ng ating daily routine. Boring nga yung pagpaulit-ulit na ganito na, pero ito talaga yung gawa ko. Oops. So, ikwento ko ba sa inyo kahapon ba? Kasi nag-work ako dun sa fish and chips. Hindi nga lang ako nag-vlog kahapon. May dalawang babae pumasok. Mga ano din sila, mga foreigners ba? Yung isa Chinese, tapos yung isa hindi ko alam kung ano yung nationality niya. Yung isang babae na Chinese, dalawa yung anak niya. Tapos yung isa, tinanong niya ako kung ano daw yung size ng small fish. So sabi ko, wala kasi kaming luto na isda that time. So sabi ko sa kanya, ito yung lalagyan ng small na fish. So a little bit smaller, sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos ito yung lalagyan ng medium cod, kasi nagtanong din siya sa medium cod. Tapos, itanong din siya sa large cod. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, this is the box for the medium and the large. So obviously, the medium is a little bit smaller. Parang awkward na conversation ba? Common sense naman yun. So, syempre, as a customer assistant ba? Syempre, calm down, ganun. Tapos alam niyo yung sagot niya sa akin ba? I'm not asking for the size of the box. I'm asking for the size of the fish. Tapos pag ganun yung kilay niya pa, pag ganun. Tapos, so, okay, sabi ko, it's fine. Sabi niya, okay, can I have a small cod? Sabi niya. Simula pa lang talaga, hindi na talaga maganda yung conversation namin ba. So sabi ko, would you like any salt and vinegar? So it sounds like complicated pa rin sa kanya. Sabi niya, sabi ng anak niya, just salt. I don't like vinegar. Sabi ng anak. And then sabi na naman niya, I like a little bit of salt and vinegar. As in, wala talaga siyang please or thank you. As in, wala. So, okay lang yun. While waiting sa kanilang order, kasi doon kasi sila kumain sa loob ng ano namin na shop. So, pagkadating ng order, wala doon yung kasama yung isa kasi pumunta ata sa shop. Kasi pagkabalik ng babae, meron silang dalang saging, may drinks, ganun. So, obviously, pumunta sa shop, bumili ng ganun. So, pagkabigay ko ng order ba? So, okay naman, walang problema. Tapos, syempre, yung kasama niya ba? Hindi pa tayo doon sa kabila, maingay, wait. So, saan na ba tayo? Medyo maano yung kwento ko. So, pagkabigay ko ng order, wala pa doon yung kasama niyang Chinese. So, sabi ko sa kanya, you want me to put the food on the top of the cooker ba? Para mag-stay siya na mainit. Tapos sabi niya, no, it's okay. It's still hot. Without saying thank you. As in, wala. So, sabi ko, it's okay. Sabi ko ba sa the back of my mind, sabi ko, it's fine. I guess. So, dumating na yung kasama niyang babae. So, kumain sila. Wala. Sige, nagkaryon silang kumain. Kasi that time, hindi naman busy. Ang ingay. So, pagka malapit na silang matapos, lumapit siya sa akin, sabi niya. Pinakita niya sa akin yung lalagyan ng fish yung box. Sabi niya sa akin, this is the first time I ever had the chips na ganun daw yung cut, ang liit daw ng cut. Tapos yung fish niyo daw is dry. Tapos sabi niya, yung fish is a bit dry and burnt. Pagkadating ng chef namin, sabi ng chef namin, so what's the problem? Tapos sabi niya, yung chips is too small. This is not the regular size of the chips from the chip shop daw kuno. Tapos yung fish is sunog, ganun conversation. So anyway, hindi kami nag-refund or anything kasi kinain niya naman. So dapat nag-complain siya nung pagka-start pa lang ng food, hindi yung after. So they went out without saying thank you. So yeah, ang daming customers na hindi kind in a way, like we can complain but in a good way ba? Hindi yung parang you meant to do it that way. Kung gusto mo maging ganon, it's up to you. Pero at least ba, in a good way. So anyway, mag-ready na po kasi papasok ako sa work today. Doon ako sa aking card shop kasi may meeting kami this afternoon. And I will see you na lang later guys after work. So tapos na akong mag-work guys. So maggawa na tayo ng dinner. Naghugas na ako ng kamay. Tapos nakapagpalit na din ako ng damit. So, ano nga ba yung dinner namin tonight? By the way, nag-meeting kami kanina sa work ulit. We had another meeting. So, yung meeting namin kanina is hindi babawasan yung oras. I-keep siya kasi yung isa naming team leader is aalis sa June. First week ng June. So, hindi na lang babawasan. Ako lang ba yung naglalagay ng mga ganito mga pinaggamitan mo? Lagay dyan para mamaya na hugasan. So, ito yung dinner namin ni Dave. Sigura gawan ko siya ng fried chicken maybe. Lagay ko lang yung mantika dyan. Wala ng rice. Kailangan kong magluto ng rice. At least yung hours namin makip siya ng ganun pa din. Pero I think gusto ko na din maghanap ng ibang work ba kasi naboring na din ako sa work. Parang paulit-ulit na lang. Parang pag alam mo na yung work ba, parang nakakasawa na siya. I will take my time. Tapos pag nakahanap na ako, doon na tayo alis. Kasi mahirap naman kung alis tayo ngayon, no? Tapos wala ka pang work. Di mawalan ka ng pera. Mayaman. Kung mayaman ka na, di, huwag ka na mag-work. Pero tayong mga sakto lang, kailangan natin mag-work. Okay, lagyan ko siya na, nilagyan ko na to ng asin kanina. So, lagyan natin siya ng breading mix na nabili ko pa sa Philippines. Hindi naman kami busy sa work today, right? Okay lang. Ay, lang, nakalimutan kong sabihin, yung manager din namin na alis. Sa ano siya alis? Sa end of June. Yung isang team leader namin sa first week of June. Tapos yung manager namin is sa end of June. Naalis na yung mga original staff. Hopefully talaga nung nakahanap na ako ng ibang work. Iwan ko yung iba. I think yung iba din nagpaplano na din silang umalis. I don't know. Pero very handy kasi sa akin yung card shop kasi nasa diyan lang mo sa town ba? Hindi na kailangan mag-bus. Basta nasa labas lang siya. So, I'll keep it for now. Tapos, I'll find something. So, inasinan ko na ito kanina. So, hindi na yan tab-ang. So, 4 yung lutuin ko. Just in case, hindi ko gusto yung dinner namin ni Dave. Kain na lang ako ng rice. Rice is life. Ito yung salad ni Dave. Lagyan natin ang potato salad and coleslaw. Yan na yung dinner ni Dave. And ito na yung fried chicken ni Kira. At akin na din. Uy, nahulog na Kira yung takip. Meron kasing singaw si Kira kaya binilhan ko kanina sa super drug ng Bonjela.
Here once again, my channel name. Please subscribe.
Mag-skincare na tayo. Vaseline.
I lost so much.
I know my lips is dry. So, i-end ko na dito yung vlog kaya mag-relax na ako. Mag-edit. Tapos magbasa. Yun lang. Hindi mahaba ang vlog na to. Pero at least naka-vlog tayo today, no? So, yeah. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Sure. And I hope to see you guys on my next one.
Reminder, bye.
Bye.
Reminder, just here, bye.